You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless.
Hi guys, I'm Roger.
And I'm Yecenia.
And we're back with another episode. It's been a minute since we've done this, that we've actually taken the time. We've done a lot of videos. We just haven't put anything on YouTube, which is funny. I believe I haven't been as motivated or inspired to actually upload anything. You know, a lot been going on for the last couple of weeks. You know, we spent a couple months in Jamaica during the pandemic, work from home. Had opportunity to really enjoy the island. We did post the last video and welcome home, coming back to Jamaica, which was great. I might go ahead and post something like right now. I'm going to insert a clip to kind of show you we were working. We did have content. We just didn't do anything with it. So yeah, right now. Hi, I'm Roger.
And I'm Yecenia. And we're at the Green Grotto Coast in Runaway Bay, Jamaica.
Yes, sir. That was an awesome trip. Super excited for the experience that we had in Jamaica.
Yeah.
How are you feeling about the time that we had out there?
It was amazing. I think it was a much needed, I know that it was a much needed break, getaway. I think we not 100% intentionally timed it at just the right time, just in terms of everything that's going on with travel restrictions and everything with vaccinations right now. And so, but I think it was awesome. It was the getaway.
It was needed.
It was needed for sure.
For that refresh.
Reset,
came back,
refresh.
Feeling great, saying, "Dad, I wish we didn't leave." Ready to go back.
Right.
But
reflecting on all the old video footage and pictures, like dang, flashbacks, throwbacks.
Yep, it was good times. Good times out there. And just FYI for everyone who has been watching us from the jump, from the beginning, nothing has changed with us. We are still making that exodus. We are still leaving. Certain things we weren't prepared for, such as COVID.
Yeah.
And I didn't think it was going to last this long. It's been over a year.
It threw a monkey wrench in our plans, just in terms of organizing and the timing of it all. Like we would have been out in 2020.
Facts.
But, so it's a delay, but trust, we're still moving forward.
Yeah. And I think that kind of played a part in, I guess, my motivation in uploading videos. Because we're working on so many different things right now, as far as, our legacy in like multiple countries, just to ensure that we take care of everything we need to take care of before we make that exodus. So the motivation for me has been towards taking care of those specific items. And eventually, as we do more of these videos, everything will unfold. Just don't want to discuss it as of yet.
Right. I was gonna say, did you want to touch on anything specific? But that's fine.
I'm good.
We'll keep it.
I'm good.
Yeah,
but
I under wraps until we get
that point in time.
The time is right.
Yeah. But I want to ensure that we put out a video, put something out, let folks know nothing has changed. We're still making an exodus. And we've everything's changed now with the vaccine that's coming about. I know my wife doesn't want to talk about the vaccine. It is what it is, but just not have nothing to do with her. But for me, I'm gonna pay for that after the video is over. The biggest thing was once you go into different countries, what their vaccine I guess not restrictions, but what their country states about the vaccine. What if you need a vaccine to get in? Is a negative COVID test sufficient enough? It makes it a little difficult to actually move around. Every year,
it's a matter of convenience.
Yeah.
I think having the vaccine and being able to just makes it so that you can move around country to country a lot easier. A lot more countries are making it so that it's just easier for you to. You don't have to quarantine
for 14 days,
right? And then you don't have to get a COVID test in order so.
And it's gonna be weird. Like my birthday is coming up in a couple of months. And
3 months.
and every year we do like a crazy trip where we go and enjoy the world. We visit probably 2 or 3 countries.
Yeah.
4 if we feel an extra.
On a whim.
Yeah, on a whim. It's like, let's go here. But, being able to maneuver through those countries prior was different, pre-COVID. So this will be the first year that we're actually going to do something similar. And I'm not sure how many countries we can actually visit over the summer. I know we're going to head out towards Europe or maybe North Africa. I'm debating whether or not, we go to Morocco or maybe Lebanon or something like that.
Yeah, those are 2 of the ones that were definitely been thrown in the hat. So to be clear, the trip for Roger's birthday in July is completely separate from our United States exodus and those travel plans. We're still doing both.
Yeah.
And one will happen, end of June, beginning of July. And the other will
happen when it happens. When it happens. Yeah. I'm not, again, we have things that's planned in between. And I don't want to put a date on anything because who knows? There could be another variant of COVID that comes out and then we're stuck. And but the goal is at the end of the day, fast or slow, we keep moving forward and we keep working on the things that we can control now. We're really big on legacy and how we can leave something to our kids and how we can live the life that we want to live as we're older. So for nothing else, this pandemic has taught us, what direction that we should go, the path that we need to take. And we make lemon out of lemonades. Lemon out of lemonades? Lemon out of lemons. There you go. You guys know what I meant. But going back to my birthday, anybody who's ever been to Morocco, Lebanon, hit me up. Leave a comment in here. Give us your thoughts. If you think it's not safe to go in those countries right now, then tell us and put a country that you recommend. We're real open into visiting someplace different, someplace we haven't been before.
Right, we've been sort of, especially I would say over the last several weeks, we've been really sort of doing a deep dive into a lot of different countries, just trying to, because there's so much to look into. It's travel restrictions for COVID, on top of all the other things that you would look up for regular travel. So
and it has to be vegan friendly because we are vegan.
And they have to be able. We have to be able to get there, but we also have to be able
to come home,
to get back in the States. That's important.
Come home,
So
thanks.
All of that is factored into the decision. So if you have any advice or tips, please share them with us.
Yeah, and if it's a country we've been before, we'll reply back and state that, but we are really open. I mean, every country we've ever visited, we're all about the culture, we're all about the food, and we're all about the people. So, I mean, as long as wherever you're recommended is great food, great people, and the culture is something that we can just dive right in.
Yeah. And then welcoming for people that look like us.
Yeah, silly.
Stop it. You didn't expect. Yeah, and we've also been sort of talking about maybe sometime soon in the near future doing some YouTube live videos where we can kind of engage with you guys in real time and have maybe some snacks and some beverages and just kind of shoot the breeze.
Wine, champagne.
Yeah.
It's the kind of beverage we're talking about, not even lying.
Listen, I might have a cup of hot tea.
I might have a bottle of champagne. We celebrate.
Depends on how I feel on the given day.
You being nice because we go out to post this on live. Look, we celebrate. We celebrate life. Any opportunity that I have to have a glass of champagne, I'm gonna have a glass of champagne.
Yeah.
In the words of Biggie, birthdays were the worst days. Now we sip champagne when we thirsty.
Yeah.
So we celebrate all the time. So again, post those comments. Let us know what you think. Let us know even about this video, how you feel about this video.
So we appreciate your patience with us since it's been such a long time from the last video that we posted. But so we just needed to come up here and be like, hey y'all, we're still here.
Yeah. We all fam.
Quick touch base. So.
And that's pretty much what it is. It's just a quick touch base to give you guys an update of what's going on.
Yeah, quick update, and then we'll get on it. We're gonna start posting a lot more videos in the coming weeks, months. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
And any topics you guys want to touch on, also put that in the comment below. So if there's something that you have a question about as far as any travels that we've done thus far, or just you want our point of view on something, feel free to put it in the comments below. Just know you ask us a question, we will give you an answer.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, share with a friend.
We appreciate you guys watching again, and we'll see you in the next video.
Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be